Hi, my name is Brian Mann. I'm a registered nurse and a student in the BSN program at St. Petersburg College. This is my community analysis on Oldsmar, Florida. Oldsmar, Florida is located on the easternmost point of Pinellas County, overseeing Upper Tampa Bay. The city is just 10.15 square miles, 6.5 of which is beautiful shoreline. The city has a variety of grocery stores, restaurants, parks, shops, and businesses. The population of Oldsmar is just under 14,000 people. Oldsmar was founded in 1916 by R.E. Olds, maker of the Oldsmobile. R.E. Olds purchased land to develop with the hopes of turning a sleepy town into a bustling city with hotels, boutiques, a casino, and a horse track. When the city did not grow to his expectations, R.E. Olds sold the land to a St. Louis businessman and left town. While the employment rate in Oldsmar is quite high at 94%, there is a small percentage at 6% of people who are unemployed and may require some type of assistance. There are churches and local food banks that are available to assist those in need. Small nonprofit organizations such as Oldsmar Cares also assists families in need with utility bills and rent. Oldsmar has access to many dentists, physicians' offices, and walk-in clinics, including a CVS Minute Clinic, which provides quality care for those unable to be seen by their primary care, have no insurance, or are short on funds. Oldsmar has a few nursing and rehabilitation facilities for senior citizens. Both of these facilities offer many services ranging from rehabilitation, medical, and dental care. Most services are covered by Medicare and/or Medicaid, with the possibility of some out-of-pocket expense. The Area Agency on Aging, based in St. Petersburg, assists seniors with a focus on funding and advocacy, services, and programs. One of their programs is promoted by the National Council on Aging and is evidence-based on Stanford's Chronic Disease Self-Management Program. This program focuses on enhancing regular treatment as well as skills to help manage one's own health. These programs are offered all around the country. This is one of the target areas for Healthy People 2020. The closest hospital is Meese Countryside Hospital, a Baycare facility just outside the Oldsmar city limits, located in Safety Harbor. Meese Countryside is a 311-bed facility that has an emergency cardiac center, surgical expertise, and is a designated baby-friendly facility by the World Health Organization for breastfeeding. The hospital also has a partnership with St. Joseph's Children's Hospital, providing excellent pediatric and neonatal care. The hospital is easily accessible for citizens living in Oldsmar. Oldsmar has a lower than average crime rate. Although there is not a city police force, the law enforcement is provided by the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office. Oldsmar does have its own fire department and EMS service. Average response time is 4 minutes and 30 seconds, depending on time of day and traffic. The average response time of Sunstar EMS, which services all of Pinellas County, is within 10 minutes. According to data collected from 2010, the average EMS response time ranged from 9 to 14 minutes. The average time spent at a scene was 10 to 17 minutes, and the average transport time was 9 to 14 minutes. The response times in Oldsmar and Pinellas County fall well within the national average. There are differing levels of evacuation for hurricanes and surge flooding. For instance, my home is in an evacuation zone B. When a disaster is about to hit, the county activates the evacuation plans, so it's important to know what zone your home is in and when to leave. One of the areas of concerns for citizens, not only in Oldsmar, but in Pinellas County, is immunizations. While Pinellas County has a relatively low occurrence of vaccine-preventable diseases, 2.6 per 100,000 people, it is still important for people to be educated about the need for vaccinations, not only for children, but for adults and the elderly as well. The Pinellas County Health Department offers immunization education and free vaccinations for children and for adults for a small fee. The Florida Department of Health oversees the reporting and follow-up of infectious disease services, including HIV and AIDS, sexually transmitted diseases or STIs, tuberculosis, enteric diseases, and vaccine-preventable diseases. The focus is on prevention and treatment of these conditions occurring throughout Pinellas County. Education and counseling are also available for those diagnosed or at risk. Here is a link to all the reportable conditions and/or diseases required by the state of Florida. Out of the 67 counties in Florida, Pinellas County ranked 38th in length of life, 25th in quality of life, 19th in health factors, for example, smoking, obesity, STIs, teen births, physical inactivity, etc. 7th in clinical care, for example, preventable hospital stays, mental health providers, primary care physicians, dentists, and more. 30th in social and economic factors, for example, high school graduates, those with some college education, poverty, income inequality, violent crimes, and injury-related deaths. And 23rd in physical environment, for example, air pollution, water quality, work commute times, and housing problems. There are many wellness programs available at little to no cost throughout the Pinellas County Health Department for smoking cessation, diet and exercise education for the prevention and treatment of diseases such as heart disease and diabetes, as well as primary and dental care. Access is available through the Pinellas County Department of Health. Overall, Oldsmar is a wonderful, quaint community with plenty of amenities for all ages. Beautiful waterfront parks and outdoor activities are available all year round. Drive around the streets of Oldsmar at any time of day and you will see people walking, jogging, riding their bikes, and just enjoying the outdoors. Health and happiness can be seen on every corner.